Christmas party this year?
That's always a good question. The eggnog is not the only thing spiked at the Valley's first ever Christmas-themed pop-up bar. It's called the Miracle Bar, and it's been around for years in other states. And now this year, we have one of our very own. Guess what? It's right in downtown Phoenix. It's located inside Blue Hound's Bar and Lounge, which is now basically an over-the-top winter wonderland right there by Cityscape, so you can ice skate, probably before you have the drinks. They serve festive cocktails and seasonally inspired food like the Christmas-politan, Bad Santa, or how about the Kuala la 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 la. I love that.
You know, for those who'd rather skip the spirits, there are treats too. I mean, take a look at that menu, including Santa's treats, mini cookies, cereal milk, chocolate bark. The Miracle Bar will be open through December 30th. How fun.
Very cute.